Selling property in Vietnam as a foreigner may seem straightforward, but the reality is more complex than many expect. On paper, you may be the owner, but ownership does not automatically mean smooth transfers. Mistakes can lead to delays, financial losses, or disputes with developers, buyers, or authorities. Understanding the legal framework and the proper procedures is essential before taking any step. Vietnamese law allows foreigners to purchase and sell property, but there are restrictions. You must comply with ownership quotas, only certain types of properties are eligible, and the sale must align with the regulations set by the developer or local authorities. Failure to meet these requirements can invalidate your sale or trigger penalties. Many foreign investors overlook these points, assuming international ownership rules apply the same way as in their home countries. Foreign investors often run into common problems when selling property in Vietnam. One is using intermediaries or brokers who may not fully understand the legal requirements. Another is failing to prepare proper documentation, including notarized contracts, identity verification, and proof of ownership. Some investors rely on friends or relatives as nominees, but if disputes arise, this can complicate ownership claims and access to funds. Without careful planning, even a legitimate sale can become a legal headache. A key part of any sale is the deposit or pre-sale contract. This document must be carefully reviewed. It defines payment terms, obligations of both parties, and what happens in case of default. Many foreign investors sign these agreements without legal review, thinking they are standard forms. In Vietnam, even minor errors in the contract can lead to disputes, frozen payments, or litigation. A proper legal review ensures that your rights are enforceable and that the transaction complies with Vietnamese law. Some foreign investors use nominees or family members to hold property temporarily. While this can be practical in certain scenarios, it introduces risks. If the nominee refuses to cooperate, or if the arrangement is not properly documented, the sale can be blocked or contested. LTS law helps clients structure nominee agreements and supporting documents to protect the beneficial owner's rights and ensure the property can be sold safely. Even after signing the contract, the actual transfer of funds can be a challenge. Foreign investors must comply with banking and foreign exchange regulations. Delays can occur if funds are not properly routed through designated accounts or if documentation is missing. Without expert guidance, money may be stuck for months. LTS law ensures that every step, from receipt to repatriation, follows the legal process, avoiding unnecessary risk. Disputes are another reality in property transactions. Buyers may refuse payment, developers may delay handover, or terms may be contested. Foreign investors who lack legal support often face lengthy, stressful disputes. LTS law has successfully represented clients in situations where nominees or third parties tried to claim ownership or disrupt sales, ensuring clients recovered their property or proceeds without losing time or money. Selling property in Vietnam is not just about finding a buyer. It involves contracts, notarization, compliance with foreign ownership quotas, payment structures, and dispute prevention. Without professional support, foreign investors expose themselves to financial and legal risks. Having a trusted law firm that understands the nuances of Vietnamese property law is essential for a smooth, secure transaction. At LTS Law, we provide comprehensive support for foreign investors selling property in Vietnam. We review and negotiate contracts, ensure proper legal and banking procedures, structure nominee agreements, and advise on dispute prevention. Our clients rely on us to manage every step, giving them confidence that their property sale is secure and compliant with Vietnamese law. Before you list or sign anything, consult with LTS Law. Avoid costly mistakes, protect your rights, and ensure your property sale is smooth and enforceable. Visit lts.com.vn to book a consultation and take the first step toward a safe and legally sound property transaction in Vietnam.